Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out a portable battery powered like floor fan. So you can put this in your shop or when you're working on your car, or I like to go camping a lot, so I definitely think this is something that I'll use. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so this is what you get in the box. The fan, obviously. You get an AC adapter to recharge the battery that's in the fan. You get an instruction manual. And let's take a look at the fan here. This is the 12-inch model by Smartele. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I got this for about a little bit over $100 on Amazon on sale. You also do have a 16-inch model, and I think that would run maybe $130, $150 US. So let's take a look at this. First off, the blades look to be plastic. They're not metal, they're clear plastic. You have these little adjusters, I guess, to adjust what angle the fan is at. Then you've got a little thing to, I guess, carry it. You've got a base here, which seems pretty sturdy, and some rubber things, I guess, not to mess up your floor. So on the back we have a USB port. I guess that's if you want to use it as a charging bank, maybe. And I guess this is where you plug in your AC adapter thing to charge up the battery. So in terms of range of motion, it can go all the way back like that. That's, I think, the farthest it can go backwards, and then forwards, that's the farthest it can go forwards. 43 watts of power is what it uses. Power output 24 volts, USB output 5 volts. Noise level, so the min noise level is 45 dB, and the max is 63 dB, and it's also IP rated. So it says IP24 rated. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but it probably just means that you can splash it with water and it'll still be okay. I'm sure you can't actually submerge this in water or have a heavy rain or anything like that. So if we look at the back here, there's a flashing red light which indicates that it's charging. It didn't come fully charged, but the good thing is that you can plug it in and run it at the same time, so it will run while it's charging, which is nice. But let me show you basically how loud it is. So that's it, like running on full, on the highest setting. So it's really not that loud, especially if you compare it to a regular box fan. All right, I've got like a regular kind of window fan, box fan, to kind of compare how much this puts out in terms of like breeze, as well as how loud this is compared to your typical floor fan. So let's crank this up to the highest setting. So hopefully you can still hear me. This is the highest setting for the box fan, and it makes a lot of noise. It puts out a decent amount of air. So now let's compare it to the battery fan. Now comparing it to the battery fan, like that feels like it puts out a lot more air than this guy does. And it's, as you can tell, look how quiet that is compared to this fan. Like way quieter. Like you could easily sleep with this. This is on the highest setting. So you could easily sleep with this. So it's already better than this guy. It says at the minimum speed, it has a working time of 30 hours on the battery, and at the maximum, it has a working speed of 4 hours. So that sounds like a good deal of time. So overall, it seems like a pretty good fan. It is a bit pricey at $100, but what I liked about it was the fact that it was battery operated. So when I go camping, I tent camp, so I don't have any air conditioning. So having this fan with me will definitely help, I think, in the tent or just when I'm sitting in the campsite. So we'll see how it works out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.